moody, bloated, everything is paining. I think it's that dreaded time of the month again. Don't worry, sister, this time I have got your back. Today I'm going to give you my top tips on how I deal with my menstrual cramps and my monthly periods. At the end of the video, I also have a bonus tip, so please stick around and watch till the end. So I am that lab rat on which all of these tips and tricks have been tried first. So don't worry, I have tried all the hacks that I am going to recommend to you today. My first tip is the holy oil mix. Sesame oil has been highly recommended by Ayurveda for its anti-inflammatory properties. On the other hand, Cajeput essential oil has a soothing fragrance that helps you keep those mood swings in check. Cajeput oil, when combined with a powerful carrier oil like sesame oil, this amalgamation gives a big relief to those awful period cramps that you suffer with every month. Just take a generous amount and rub it on your lower back, your lower abdomen, your belly button and the area around it. You can also add a few drops of lavender essential oil to give those sore muscles and tired eyes that much needed quality sleep. So throw in a nice hot water bottle and keep it on your lower back for that extra comfort. Don't have essential oils? Fret not. Sesame seeds can be consumed in any form, be it paste or oil or powder. So you can either add it to your diet or give yourself that much needed special regular self massage, which they highly recommend in Ayurveda. Sesame oil is said to really improve your overall reproductive health. This hack has been personally tried and tested by me, and it works each time I am suffering from those awful cramps. My second tip is binaural beats. Yes, you heard that right. Binaural beats is a specially designed sound wave used to help the human body deal with stress and pain in a better manner. Let me break this down for you. Bi means two, aural means ear. When your brain is exposed to two different types of tones in two different types of frequencies, it helps the body process the pain on both a psychological level and a neurological level. You get a twofold benefit through this. Some people might call this a placebo effect, but the fact that binaural beats videos have so many views on its YouTube page is a proof that so many women actually use this method to get rid of those pesky menstrual cramps. I can vouch for it because I have personally tried and tested. I will put a link down in my description of the binaural beat video that I usually listen to during my periods. All you need for this particular trick is a good pair of headphones. The trick here is to listen to it with complete concentration. You can try this because you have nothing to lose here. Binaural beats is actually a nice, cost-effective and side-effect-free audio therapy right at your fingertips. And the best part is, it's free. Imagine you have a really important presentation in office, or you have a very important exam to give. What will you do? Would you rather sit and sulk in a corner and crib about how life is being unfair to womanhood? Or would you just pop in a pill and call it a day and relieve yourself of all that stress and pain? My fourth tip is painkillers. Wait, just hear me out before you judge me. Taking painkillers to deal with monthly menstrual cramps is actually a personal choice. So don't judge people who take it. Don't give yourself a hard time for popping a pill once in a while. Take it from someone who's been having painkillers from the time she hit puberty. The side effects are much more bearable than the actual pain itself. I often reach out to Naproxen 500 as I find it to be a very effective painkiller. I am no doctor or medical practitioner, but this is something that has worked for me, and that's why I felt I should share it with you. This effect lasts for about 7 to 8 hours, and I'm comfortable and pain-free at least for that duration of time. My third tip is coriander water. We all are familiar with the bloating that happens during PMS and period. This is where coriander water can come in and help you. Coriander is rich in iron and it is a natural diuretic that helps your body get rid of the extra water retention. When the water retention in your body decreases, you will feel less bloated. You can either soak a handful of coriander seeds in water, or you can take a handful and boil it, strain it and drink up. Have this regularly during your periods to actually see the difference. Please comment down below and tell me if any of these tricks were useful to you. As I promised, I'm going to give you a bonus tip at the end. Even though exercising is not really my forte, it's not something that I regularly enjoy doing, I try to do a couple of yoga asanas right before my periods start. Although it's recommended to do them on a regular basis to see its effect. Yoga actually helps out in stretching the uterine muscle, therefore making the contractions during periods a little less painful. Some yoga asanas that I found beneficial are the child pose, the cat pose, the wide angle forward bend. These are some of the asanas that I found useful. If you have any additional interesting tips and tricks that you would like to share to relieve menstrual cramps, please comment down below and tell me. It would help all the other girls watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my content. See you in the next video. Bye.